to Kelly Barlow Creations, Crafting on a Budget. In today's video, I'm going to be doing my review on Dollar Tree's LA Colors Liquid Concealer Sticks. It is a new item that Dollar Tree has just started carrying. They carry it in 5 colors. They carry it in yellow, green, purple, peach, and they even now have a highlighting stick. I bought all 5 of them, so today I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this look here using those concealer sticks. So let's get to it and let's see how these concealer sticks work. Here I am before makeup, and as you can see, I have quite a bit of sunspots on my face from my younger years of thinking that sunbathing was just the coolest thing, to have the tannest face from being in the sun and burning my skin and just ruining it. I do use a yellow concealer quite a bit because the yellow does dull the sunspots quite a bit. Because I have a more olive tan complexion, I don't have a lighter one, so that's why I won't be using the purples and the peaches. I usually go with the yellows and greens, that side of the palette, because it usually tends to cover it up quite a bit and brighten up my eyes and make me look more awake. And so I definitely need help in that area a lot of times. And so, yeah, I won't be trying out the purple, but I will be doing the yellow and green today and see how it works. But I like to start off with the yellow, and under full disclosure, I don't know if I apply my makeup perfectly. I put it on the way I'm comfortable and the way I like and what works for me. I'm by no means a professional makeup artist, so I am not giving any advice. Today I'm just here to show you how Dollar Tree's LA Colors concealer works. Is it going to be too liquidy where it doesn't do anything, or is it going to be a bit thicker that it actually covers up? Because I do know that with some of the Dollar Tree makeup, it tends to be a bit liquidy, and so it doesn't really do the job you want it to do or need it to do. And so I'm hoping that this is a bit on the thicker side and not the runnier side. And so let's see. Okay, I'm already seeing on here that it is pretty thick on the tip. And so I'm going to start off light, because we can always add more. Okay, and it already feels pretty thick. And I do use my finger. Oh wow, this is thick. Okay. Okay, look at that. I'm impressed. All right, I need to put a little bit more on this side. And then I do put a bit on my bigger brown spots. And I am going to take the green and put a bit of green on my nose, because for some reason my nose always tends to be a bit red, and in some of the videos it really comes out. I gotta say, I'm pretty impressed. It's covered up my brown spots really well. My eyes look brighter and not so dark, and so this is good. Let's try the green. Okay, so now that I look like a ghost, I do definitely see that it has neutralized the red on my nose, and the rings around my eyes are completely gone. And it dried pretty quickly. It doesn't feel sticky. It isn't burning or tingling, which a lot of the makeup that I've tried from Dollar Tree really feels dirty or sticky, and it doesn't dry. This is working great, and I'm already loving LA Colors. And so now it's just time to apply my foundation. And I don't typically wear this much makeup on a daily basis. I will put a bronzing powder on, and I really don't care too much about my dark circles or my redness. I'll just put a bronzing powder on and go for the day. But when I do videos, I do put a bit more makeup on because of the lighting and whatnot. The foundation I use is by Avon. And so I'm gonna go ahead and put some of my foundation on. Alrighty, so my foundation is on, and it covered it nicely. I didn't put any on my eyes. And so now I'm just gonna take my e.l.f. bronzing powder that I absolutely love. And we'll try the highlighter. And there we go. I think that LA Colors, their concealer sticks, did a pretty amazing job. You can see that a lot of my dark spots are covered up here on the side. My eyes, I look bright and awake. The red is taken out of my nose and my cheeks. So overall, I've got to give it to LA Colors yet again. They have stepped up their game, and their liquid concealer sticks are nice and thick. The coverage is amazing, and for $1, you can't beat it. Well, everybody, that's all I have for you for today for my review on Dollar Tree's LA Colors Liquid Concealer Sticks. I give it 2 thumbs up, and it is most definitely worth the $1 that you pay for it at the Dollar Tree. It is one of those makeups that definitely works, doesn't leave your face feeling dirty, doesn't burn or sting your skin. So I will definitely be purchasing more of these to keep in my stash, because you just know that once you find something you like at the Dollar Tree, you go back for it and it's gone. Please give this video a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, stick around a while by clicking that red button for more crafting on a budget, more everything on a budget videos to come. And if you click it again when the bell appears, YouTube will notify you when I'm uploading a new video. You can also follow me on Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram, Google+, and Twitter. You can find those links in the description box below. Just click on those links, click follow, and you'll also be notified through social media when I'm uploading a new video or just doing something fun. You can also find my P.O. box in the description box below as well, if you're interested in sending me mail and watching me open it up in a video. Until next time, everybody, I hope you have a fantastic day. Happy everything on a budget, and bye for now.